Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download music in Lark Player. So, what you are supposed to know about this app is that it's actually a player whereby you get all your downloaded songs that you have in your device. You're going to see it here. This is where you'll be able to play them. It's just like an app where you can simply play music that have already been downloaded. You cannot actually download any music online because it's online. But once you click on the search bar, you can see there's Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud, and Facebook. So you can actually try to access these apps and download from them, and it's going to be played in the Lark player. So that's actually how to use the app and how to download. So once you have a downloaded song from any app, maybe your Spotify, your Audiomack, that has been downloaded to your device, it's going to be shown, played on your Lark player. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.